Filipino Olympian boxer Ira Villegas secured a victory on her birthday, advancing to the quarterfinals of the women's 50-kilogram event at the 2024 Paris Olympics. The match, which took place early this morning, saw Villegas defeat Algeria's Romesa Buana. The 29-year-old from Tacloban City chalked up a unanimous decision from the judges with scores of 30-27, 29-28, 29-28, 29-28, and 30-27. Villegas advanced to the quarterfinals, where she will compete against home favorite Wasila Lakhdiri this coming Sunday. Villegas now needs just one more win to secure a bronze medal for the Philippines. Alongside her, Filipino boxing stars Carlo Paalam and Nesty Petesio are also in the medal hunt following their impressive performances at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics.
Malaking bagay ito para baguhin yung buhay ko ng pamilya ko. Yung goal po is manalo. Yun lang po talaga yung mindset. Tsaka yun nga po, focus muna, relax. Napakalaking bagay yun sa akin, lalo na po at Olympic po ito. Malaking bagay ito para baguhin yung buhay ko ng pamilya ko.